Hello everyone, myself Gautami. I'm from Bangalore. Today I'm here to share my meditational experiences and my life before meditation and after meditation. I have been meditating from the past 11 years. In the year 2010, I introduced to meditation. Before meditation, I was very shy, having so much inferiority complex, and I used to think that I don't have enough potential or capacity to do things. So, and I'm very sensitive and very closed mind, can't communicate with, can't mingle with anyone very quickly, can't do things alone. Always dependency was there. Even I can't travel alone. No courage at all, having so much fear. From childhood, I'm not that much interest on my studies. I used to think that just I want to marry a handsome guy and I want to settle. That's it. That is my life before meditation. Just watching movies, spending time with friends, traveling, spending time with nature. I don't know how to lead materialistic world. I don't know how to communicate with others because of this shyness, fear. I was a Sai Baba follower. I used to read Parayana books. I used to go to temples. I used to do fastings. When I was 14 years old, I used to suffer a lot with my headache. When I consult doctor, he did some X-ray and he said some water block was there on my head. And he gave some powerful tablets. I used to take that powerful tablets, and he told that if it won't heal with the tablets, I need to go some kind of operation, he said. So before meditation, there is no proper health, no goals, no achievements, no targets, no clarity in my life. As I discussed, in the year 2010 I introduced to meditation. So opposite to my home, there was one pyramid meditation center. It was the first pyramid center in my hometown, Maitreya Buddha Pyramid Center. All masters used to come there and they used to share their experiences and knowledge. So one day I attended one of the senior pyramid master session. So one of the master, he's sharing his experience. So he said that he's suffering from last stage of cancer and doctors told him that he can't survive more than 2 months. So through one of his friends, he came to know about the meditation and he started doing meditation daily, 20 hours, 22 hours. After intensive meditation, after 41 days, he visited the same doctor, and doctor had some x-ray, and he said that there is no more cancer. See, he didn't take any tablets. He healed himself through meditation. That is the beauty of meditation. After listening his experience, I decided not to take tablets. I want to heal myself. Just I started doing meditation, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours also. So now I healed my headache from past 11 years till now. I'm not taking any tablet. I don't go to any hospital. I don't go to any clinic. I don't take any medicines. No doctor, no hospitals, only meditation. Meditation will gives you everything. That is a beauty of meditation. So meditation has brought great change in me. Now I started doing things which scares me more. Now I'm out of shy. Now I'm out of inferiority complex, and now I'm out of fear. Now I'm doing my works alone without any dependency. Now I'm traveling alone happily. Now I'm having great confidence in me. Earlier I don't have any goals and I don't have any visions in my life. I'll share you one of my experience. After my 10th standard completion, all my family people gathered at Tirupati place, which is located at Andhra Pradesh. My 10th results got announced at the same time. So I got the result. Like I secured second class. Just I passed. One of my aunt son, he secured top marks, like he's a topper of his school. So few of my relatives laughed at me. I felt very bad and I thought to commit suicide. Immediately I realized that I didn't study, I didn't focus on my studies. That's why I got the result like that. So I decided to prove myself. In the intermediate, I focused on my studies and I secured 86%. People who laughed at me, they called and they appreciated me. See, that's why if we decide what we want, the results will be perfect. Just trust yourself. Never ever doubt yourself. The more meditation you practice, the better person you will become. So Patriji always says that we create our own reality through our thoughts. Before coming to spirituality, I used to think that I don't know anything. Other person knows everything. I used to think that I can't do anything. So results will be the same. We are creators of our lives. we can change our life as our wish. We can transform our life. So people who are watching this video, just I want to say that before coming to spirituality, I created my life that I don't know anything. And I decided that I don't have any potential to do works. I used to think that I can't do anything alone. After knowing this truth, we create our own reality. I completely changed my thinking patterns and my lifestyle. Now I'm working as a software engineer in MNC company. I'm totally independent now, without any dependency. That is because of only meditation. If you do meditation, you will get more clarity in your life and you will come to know what to do and what not to do. So do whatever you want, don't care of others opinion. If you follow your inner intuition, life will be a beautiful paradise. Just do meditation, meditation, meditation. It's my personal experience. I transformed my life through meditation.